Hello, in front of me I've got Realme Pad. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. As you can see, this is the homepage of Google Pay, and from here you can add payment methods, add different types of cards, manage all your payment methods, see full list of participating banks, and your full activity. Next, you can go to Settings, where you can turn on or off email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, and offers and tips. Also, you can edit your account info. Next, we've got contactless setup, which is unavailable on this device because it doesn't have NFC. Help and support. And send feedback. The last thing, if you tap right here, you got access to your Google account. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.